Whoa, cameraman.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
In our fridge, we got some.
We got some Pinot Grigio. That's for those posh chicks, you know those ones that want to come over. They want to get a little bit buzzed. They want to be a little bit tipsy. Yeah, we fucking cater for the vegetarians.
We got some
corn. We got some corn. Yo, those chicks on a diet. We got some mini walkers. That's just one crisp in one packet. That's for those gals on.
Oh damn, we got some pesto that's out here. We got chicken for
We got a whole motherfucking chicken. That's for those niggas. When they come round, they love their chicken. They love that
We
shit.
got some ham.
We got some ham. Oh, we got some ham on the floor. Oh shit,
We got ham on the floor.
bird.
That ham's over. I was eating. Just put back that.
And for the pet lovers, we got a birdie. You know, we keep you company while I'm in the bedroom getting ready and shit. You play with my budgie. Yeah.
I got some pep pig. Y'all let you know how you do.
You know when you got a little kid and she's all like,
She's like,
I'm bored. You just give her a little Peppa Pig. She know that shit. She know
Oh
that.
yeah. And when they bring their friend round, we got some beers for the friend. You go sit in the living room. You drink that beer. You get a little bit messy. I'm gonna hit on your chick.
Yeah, okay.
we got some roast ham as well. You know.
You got some egg. Everybody loving egg. Everybody loving egg. If you don't like egg, just get out of my house, bitch. I don't even want to see you.
Now all niggas need sweet chili.
You know, if you got a little bit of Asian persuasion, she want a sweet chili sauce. You gotta give us some sweet chili sauce. You know what I'm saying? You know.
Oh, we got some Caesar.
Oh, Caesar motherfucking salad. We got it all.
We got some pickled beetroot.
Pickle beetroot. That's for your fucking MILFs out there. You got a mom. She loved the beetroot.
We got that mature cheese. You know, those mature niggas.
Those mature bitches. They love that mature cheese. They don't want no Edam. They don't want no Stilton. They don't want no Dairy Lee. They want some mature cheddar. Okay.
We got some milk. We got some milk.
You need milk for all occasions. You need milk for your scrambled egg. You need milk for your cereal. You need milk for your tea. Do you know what I mean? If you don't need milk, get out my freaking house.
Alright then, bitch. Later.